by SNTD is a versatile and efficient kitchen accessory that offers both functionality and style. Made of durable stainless steel, this expandable dish rack is designed to meet the needs of any modern kitchen. With product dimensions of 13.6 inches in diameter, 19.7 inches in width, and 4.5 inches in height, this dish drying rack provides ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and other kitchen essentials. The sleek gray color adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. This dish rack is not just limited to drying dishes. It can also be used as a dish drainer, sponge holder, storage solution, and utensil organizer, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. The countertop mount design ensures stability and easy access to your kitchen items. One of the standout features of this dish drying rack is its expandable design, allowing you to adjust the size according to your needs. With an item weight of 3.66 pounds, it strikes the perfect balance between.
Wire rust-resistant dish rack is a reliable product designed to enhance your kitchen organization. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this dish rack by KitchenAid offers a sleek and modern design that is both functional and visually appealing. With product dimensions of 12.63 D, 15.87 W, 5.54 H, this compact dish rack fits well in various kitchen spaces. The white color of the KitchenAid dish rack complements any kitchen decor, adding a touch of elegance to your countertop. It is suitable for dishware and can be easily used on the sink or tabletop due to its portable and versatile nature. Weighing only 2.99 pounds, 1.36 kilograms, this dish rack is lightweight yet sturdy, making it convenient for everyday use. The special rust-resistant coating ensures the longevity of the KitchenAid dish rack, providing you with a reliable product that is built to last. This dish rack, with the model number KE895BXWHA, is manufactured by Lifetime Brands Inc. A.
The SONGMIX dish. Drying rack exemplifies functional design with its stainless steel and PP plastic construction. Standing at 12.5 inches in diameter, 22.5 inches in width, and 9.7 inches in height, this countertop mount model from the renowned SONGMIX brand is a sleek addition to any kitchen space. The combination of silver and black colors gives it a modern look, blending well with various kitchen aesthetics. This versatile product serves multiple purposes as a dish drainer, storage solution, and utensil holder, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen setup. One outstanding feature of the SONGMIX dish drying rack is its 360 degrees rotatable spout, allowing for easy draining without water spillage. The rack's quality stainless steel material ensures durability and longevity, while the removable and customizable components provide flexibility for different storage needs. Weighing at 4 pounds, this product is lightweight, yet sturdy enough to hold a significant number of dishes.
Rack for Kitchen by SNTD is a must-have item for any household looking to efficiently dry dishes while saving space. Made of durable stainless steel, this rack is designed to withstand daily use in busy kitchens. With product dimensions of 11.8 inches in diameter, 16.7 inches in width, and 5.7 inches in height, it provides ample space for drying dishes. The rack's sleek black color adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor, making it a versatile addition to your home. Its recommended uses include kitchen and multi-purpose uses, catering to various needs. Whether mounted on the sink or placed on a tabletop, this rack offers flexibility and installation to suit your space requirements. Weighing only 3 pounds, the dish drying rack has a weight limit of 10 pounds, ensuring it
Grip's fold-away dish rack is a versatile and functional kitchen accessory that is designed to make your dish drying and storage process efficient and hassle-free. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this dish rack is built to last and is resistant to rust, ensuring long-term durability. Measuring at 3.88 inches in depth, 12.5 inches in width, and 19.4 inches in height, it provides ample space for storing dishes, utensils, and more. The OXO brand is known for its commitment to quality and innovation, and this dish rack lives up to that reputation. Its sleek white color adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor, making it a stylish and practical addition to your countertop, sink, or even wall-mounted. This dish rack does not require assembly, saving you time and effort. With a weight of 4.66 pounds, it is sturdy and stable, while remaining lightweight enough for easy maneuvering. The OXO Good Grips fold-away dish rack is suitable for storage purposes and